Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How to delete your TikTok account. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your TikTok application and open up your profile. Go to your settings in privacy. Tap on your accounts, and in the end you'll find the option of deactivate or your delete account. So you have to tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll find these options. Why are you deactivating TikTok or leaving TikTok? You have to give a reason that why are you leaving TikTok or deactivating TikTok, and after giving the reason you have to tap on continue. After continuing it, you have to read this information and mark the tick in the given option and tap on continue. Now move forward and tap on continue again. After keep pressing on continue, it will take you to this page. You just have to wait for a while it is opening. Now TikTok will send you a digital code in your number. You just have to put the code in this bar and tap on delete account, and your account will be deleted. By following these steps, you can delete your account easily.